Yeah. Yeah. You want to say something, Maddie?
So I'm hiking right now.
Yep.
I've been walking for a long time.
No, you haven't.
Where are we going?
You just started walking.
We're going fishing
That's right.
and hiking. We are hiking.
See how many people?
There's lots of people.
That's right.
You want to say hello again, Carson?
It's time to shoot. Careful.
Oh.
Okay.
That's a lot. I noticed that you missed the capture. It was too fun. We forgot to record. Right, Daddy?
Yes.
Or I forgot to record.
So what did we do in scavenger hunt?
On the scavenger hunt, I think these were the places we went. So Magic Kingdom, you saw the hotel. Then Disney Springs.
All right.
I'm eating lunch right now with a bunch of people.
Okay, so what did you do so far?
So, sorry you missed the scavenger hunt. Well, no, you didn't miss all of it. Some of it we didn't do.
Where are we right now?
And right now,
Wait, we need to take a picture of us.
See, it's a contemporary.
We're just here for lunch. Today I'm a YouTube channel. And it's weird how we're camping, but we're not where we're camping. Does that make sense? Because we're at a hotel, basically.
You're not.
Yeah, I need money.
Okay.
No, we're not all taking a picture. Oh, is this the picture for it?
Now what happened to our thing? Did it go through or what?
Yeah. Make sure you come out of here. Don't, the door will automatically open. Half of it's gone. Is it still?
Patience, young Jedi.
Don't.
Flush the door. Good mom. She has my
Don't
cupcake.
fret.
That's pretty Jedi thing to say.
What do you
Okay.
think that says?
Don't. What?
You think it's fret?
No.
Is it supposed to take this out?
Yeah, you have. It's making it. They have to like box it up and then they put it through like something.
Chocolate chip, no? Pretty good chocolate chip. You think it's easier than that? Yeah.
And they put it in a box and it comes out here.
We didn't add steak or anything medium rare.
That's why they give you dancing music to dance while you're waiting.
What's going on?
I don't know. I think
It says touch to begin again.
I know. Really good for the picture, right? We take it. But I just want to make sure it went through.
Yeah, let's see what happens. Say touch to begin
Then it
again.
begins. It said touch to
Wait,
begin.
it stopped singing. They took the money?
No, that's because I touched.
I think it's ATM. They take our money.
It's a
Instead of giving us the money.
reverse ATM.
Yeah.
But it didn't. It went to the beginning.